What we do here in the training centre is apprentices come in from all over the country in phase 2 of plumbing. It's over 20 weeks. 2 of the weeks is in communications, so they do that online, and the other 18 weeks is between domestic and industrial plumbing. Okay, so we take in 28 apprentices every 20 weeks, and we train them in all areas of plumbing. We start off with the domestic plumbing system, like a bathroom suite, and we work through the whole bathroom suite and the cylinder and the tank in the attic. And that's over the first 10 weeks. So they're evaluated through theory and practical. And after that, we go work on the industrial side of plumbing. So we work on welding, gun barrel, putting a boiler together and radiators on the wall. From that, we test the whole system. Again, we go through all the theory. So during the day, 2 hours would be in theory and 5 hours would be in practical work, so down the workshop. Each class has 14 apprentices from all over the country, and we evaluate them throughout the whole 20 weeks. The facilities are excellent. It's a centre of excellence here in Thurles. Everything that we need is to hand. We're only open for the plumbing side of it just 2 years, so everything is brand new. So everything the apprentice uses has been only used a few times beforehand. So there's no expense spared. We're just in a centre of excellence. Everything is top quality.